Welcome back, everybody. Today I got this, and the reason I ordered this
What? Tell me.
is because I actually use this a lot in my cars, right? And I only use one of these, but I decided to get the whole thing, might as well. And that's because I did not know the size, so I just got the whole thing. I have bought this brand before. I had good luck with it, so I decided to try this brand again. These are called Torx bit, and this go on your ratchet. Now, the reason I decided to buy this was I used to have a screwdriver, I guess, that had this, but I broke it, and that's the only one I had.
Dumbass! You dumbass! You're a dumbass. Such a dumbass. You're an ass.
Now, the reason is because my engine bay uses this, and these are called Torx security bolts. And as you can see on the middle, it has this little, I don't know how you would call that. My bad, guys. But anyways, as you can see, it has this little hole in the middle. It goes right there. Now, not anybody can just take this off, right? They will need a special one. Now, there's a different one that does not have the hole. And if you don't have it, then it's definitely not gonna go in there. So this is why I decided to get this type with the little thing in the middle, right? So it'd be a little bit harder. Not a lot of people have this tool, right? And it's not like people gonna steal things, you know, like it's under my engine bay. I just did it more for the looks, I guess. And this is the washer. I have washers all over my engine bay. I pretty much replaced all my bolts in the engine bay with this. And like I said, I broke my screwdriver handle, so I had to get this, and I did not know the size, so I just bought the whole thing. Now, you have to be careful. This is a 6-star point. They also have 5-point, and I made that mistake a while back when I bought a set, and there were 5-point when I needed 6. I did not know there was such a thing. So be careful. You can also buy this in 5-point if you want to, but I decided to get 6. And actually, I have this outside on my car holding my mud flaps in case somebody wants to take them. They'll have a little bit more hard time because they're definitely gonna need this tool, right?
Don't you dare.
I shouldn't be saying that, but it is what it is now. Now you know. In case you want to try this, you can get the 6-point, you can get the 5-point. There's other type of security bolts out there that you can try, but I decided to get this. And I believe European cars actually use this a lot. I believe. That's what I read. But anyways, a very simple review. If you're interested in getting this, I would say definitely get it.